Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of amazing 3D text design using Adobe Photoshop without using its 3D feature because it required a graphics card. This design is fully customizable. It means that you can change the color of lens flare, you can edit the text, and you can also use your logo. So if you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. Okay, so hit the like button and let's jump to the Photoshop. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, I'm going with the size of 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. For the background, let's pick a dark bluish color. Pick the pen bucket tool and click anywhere on the canvas to fill the selected layer with foreground color. Now unlock the layer and convert it into a smart object. Let's rename it background. Next, go to filter, noise, and choose add noise. I think 10% amount is looking good, so hit OK. Now it is too much as you can see, so double click on this icon, and from here you can drop down its opacity. Hit OK. Now the background is ready, so select your type tool, click inside the canvas and type whatever you want. Confirm it, pick the move tool and move it to the center. Press Ctrl T to open transform tool, right click on it and choose Q. And then distort the text just like this to make it straight. Hit enter to confirm it. Now put this layer in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Rename it text. Right click on this group and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on stroke. Size is 5 pixel, position is inside, blend mode is normal, opacity is 100%, fill type is gradient. Click here to edit the gradient. Now to create this kind of silver gradient, select this black and white gradient, click on this point and change its color to a bright color. Hit OK. Now click here to create another point and pick a dark gray color. Create another point by clicking here and change its color to black. Create another point, change its color to white and then hit OK. Now select the last point and change its color to a dark gray color. You can change its position and color anytime you want. Hit OK. Now click on bevel and emboss. Style is stroke emboss. Depth is 100%. Size is 5 pixel. Angle is 45. Altitude is also 45. Highlight mode is screen. Color is white and the opacity is 70%. Shadow mode is multiply. Color is black and the opacity is 70%. Hit OK. Now convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Now in order to extrude this text and make it 3D, we will be using a free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video description. With the help of this action, you can easily and quickly extrude your subject and make it 3D. Once you download the action, open the folder and double click on it. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now all you need to do is to go to Windows and choose Action. And there we have. Make sure this layer is active. Select the action that says play me first and play it. It will do few things. And now you need to choose an angle in which you want to extrude your subject. I want to extrude my subject in this direction, so I need to choose this action. So select it and play it few times. It will create copies of the selected layer, which is fine. Stop it when you are happy with the size of extrusion. Now scroll back to the top, collapse the group and remove all of this effect from it. Create a curves adjustment layer on top of it. Click on this icon to create a clipping mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it, which is extrusion layer, and adjust the curves just like this to add contrast. Now select this layer, right click on it and choose blending option once again. In the layer style menu, click on stroke. Photoshop will keep the previous setting, which is fine, so don't change it. Click on bevel and emboss, and also here keep the setting unchanged. Now click on gradient only. Click here to edit the gradient. Select this black and white gradient, select the first point and change its color to dark gray. Now click here to create another point and change its color to white. Create another point and again change its color to a dark gray color. Hit OK. Hit OK again. By the way, hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel yet. Anyways, now to create the shadow, open this group, scroll down, select this layer, hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag it down to duplicate it. Now to create a realistic long shadow, we will be using another free Photoshop action which you can download from the link in the video description. Once you download it, open the folder and double click on the action. Photoshop will automatically install it. And again, you need to go to Windows and choose action. And there it is. Make sure this layer is active, select the action and play it. And it will do everything for you. All you need to do is to click on continue button and from here you can change the direction of shadow. Hit OK. Drop down its opacity to 70%. Also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Now create a curves adjustment layer on top of everything and adjust the curves just like this. Now the last thing that you need to do is to just drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Elements. They have 7-day free trial, so if you want to check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Anyways, change its blend mode to screen, resize it and move it to the right position. Hit enter to confirm it. You can also change the color of the lens flare. Press Ctrl U to open hue and saturation, and by moving this slider you can change its color. Hit OK. If you want to edit the text, double click on this layer, it will open another document and here you can edit the text. Close this document when you are done with the editing and save it. Photoshop will update everything in the main document. You can also use your logo. Again, double click on this layer to open another document. Drag and drop your logo. Delete this layer because we don't need it. Now as you can see, it is cutting off. So go to image and choose reveal all. It will fix the problem. Now close the document and save it. Photoshop will update everything. And you need to adjust the position of the lens flare. And you can also change its color. By the way, if you want to learn how to create their design, you can watch this video. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.